Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Michael. So recently we've been getting a lot of mixed comments about Cardano. Many people are saying it's underpriced and undervalued. Other people are saying it's dead. The project's going to zero. And in today's video, I just want to quickly summarize a couple of things that have happened with Cardano's ecosystem over the last couple of weeks and address everything you need to know as a Cardano investor. So if you enjoy this sort of content, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's see if we get the video up to 1,000 likes. So anyways, right now we need to look at the overall crypto market before we dive into specifically Cardano. When we're looking at the overall crypto market, we can see that over the last 6 months, even last year, prices have come down significantly. So anytime someone's saying Cardano is down 50% or Cardano is down or Polkadot is down, no matter what coin you're looking at, if you're comparing it to 1 year ago, prices are really down significantly from where they were 1 year ago. So you can't just point out and single out one single project. Next thing that we're seeing with the overall market is that really things aren't looking too bad. We're seeing that the overall crypto market right now has seen higher highs and higher lows over the last 3 months, and we've talked about this in previous videos, but Bitcoin is approaching a very key moment because it is at it's still above this upward trending line, but it's also approaching the 100-day simple moving average, which is right at $40,000 per coin. So there's a lot of very important technical indicators at $40,000 per coin that we would like to see Bitcoin get above. But either way, when someone's saying, well, this project is bad because it's down, 50% from where it was a year ago, remember that Bitcoin is down almost 50% from where it was a year ago. Not 50%, but 30% from where it was just a year ago. Next thing I want to talk about is a big story that came out with Twitter earlier in the day. So one of the big stories with Twitter is that they've canceled their earnings call. And in a video the other day when we talked about Elon Musk buying Twitter, we talked about all the specific details, and I specifically said how Elon Musk was pinning Twitter in a corner because he knew that earnings call was coming up for Twitter. And when we have seen with Netflix and all these other tech companies, after their earnings call, they got wrecked, falling 30-40% in value because of disappointing numbers. So we had said that Elon Musk was buying Twitter at this specific moment to prevent the earnings call, and that is exactly what happened. So what we're seeing is that Twitter has canceled their earnings call entirely, probably because it wasn't going to be good, and now really, this deal is next to guaranteed. It is guaranteed that it's going through. So this is very exciting for people in the crypto community because Elon Musk is going to be solving a lot of big problems on Twitter with crypto bots. He's going to be hopefully implementing more crypto features, and this should be very exciting for anyone in the crypto market. And I know some people don't like Elon Musk or don't want him to buy out Twitter, but it's going to happen. It's guaranteed. And this is just confirmed by Twitter canceling their earnings call. Now let's talk a little bit about what's been going on with Cardano, because everyone's been getting all upset about Cardano recently because prices have been down. But first thing is that Cardano wallet addresses have surpassed 3.65 million, major milestone. And this is a big deal because they've been adding more and more wallet addresses consistently, meaning more people are using the ecosystem, more people are buying NFTs, more people are using dApps. And this just shows us that the ecosystem, despite everything going on with the price, is in a solid place. Next thing happening with Cardano is that we've also seen its TVL really reach about a floor price of right around $200 million. And this is important because Cardano saw a massive rally in its TVL, which is the total value locked, how much money it really is in the Cardano ecosystem. And we saw a massive rally from just end of January to right around early April. It went from 0 to over 300 million. So seeing that after that huge explosion, that initial explosion, seeing it consolidate and seeing that the value is still staying in the ecosystem is also a very bullish sign. Next thing is going to be with Cardano projects. We've seen Cardano has added a record amount of projects, 400 new projects in the last 30 days, bringing its total to 900 projects. So it basically doubled the number of projects in its ecosystem in 30 days. So anyone who's getting worried about Cardano, yes, it is down significantly from highs last year, but so is every other crypto project. But when you're looking a little bit deeper, Cardano is consistently growing. Its ecosystem is, building new projects, and there's nothing really to be concerned about in terms of overall health and growth and adoption of Cardano's ecosystem. Last thing I want to talk about is going to be a couple of things going on with Cardano's network. When we're looking at Cardano, they just added a pretty important upgrade the other day, which we did talk about in previous videos. Cardano developers increased block size by 10%, basically making it that the blockchain is more scalable, faster, more efficient. And anytime they're doing this sort of upgrade, it's only going to help long-term in terms of scalability, throughput, and as more people start to use it, it's going to ensure that we don't see any issues, let's say like Solana has had. But really, that's what's been going on with the crypto market and Cardano. While Cardano isn't my top holding by any means, I know you guys like when I talk about it and do consistent updates on the project. So I want to always, do updates on projects that you guys enjoy. And I haven't sold any of my Cardano, but just to be clear, it is not my biggest holding out of all my altcoins. So that's been going on. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.